In this video, I will show you how to create an account for ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so to make an account for ChatGPT, first we need to go to the ChatGPT website. I will leave the link in the description. And now here we need to go here and click on Sign Up. Here it will ask for an email address. If you don't have an email, you can create an email. So I will use now one of my emails. And now we need to click on here on continue. You can also use different logins. You can continue with Google, with your Microsoft account, or if you have an Apple account, you can also use your Apple account. But I will use my email address, so let's go with the email address. Now here it will ask for a password. You need to create a password or use any password you know. I will just create a new password for the ChatGPT account. Now let's click on continue. Okay, so as you can see now, it will ask for a verification code, so we need to go to our inbox and check the code. Okay, so now in my email, here's the code we need to copy. So we need to copy this code, and now let's go to ChatGPT, and let's paste the code, and let's click on continue. Now it will ask for a name. I will just give a name. Also for a birthday, so you can just use your birthday. And now once we do all of that, as you can see, now we can use ChatGPT with our account. We can also use the new memory and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching.